Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you my dragon tail braid and it was really interesting to do. First thing I did, I straightened my hair because I have very wavy hair and it's very hard to braid when you have, wavy hair. So first thing we did, we straightened it with a blow dryer and we started to braid. So as you can see, we checked three parts and after finding these three parts, I was asking him not braid too tight because it's very bad for your hair and bad for your scalp. So if you're doing lots of braids, just know that it's not healthy. So try to braid less. So try to braid less tight, and as you can see, it looks already very beautiful. And I like this braid because it's very easy and it's simple, but it looks really beautiful. So in this moment, I realized that it's very good and it's not, I don't even feel it that I have braid. That's why it's so cool not braid your hair too tight. You can't get tired after this type of braiding. So that's how my natural hair looks without any products in it. So as you see, guys, you can use a lot of products, but if you don't have healthy hair from the beginning, it's very hard to achieve this hair look. So we are already finishing this braid and look how beautiful it looks. So we finished it very fast. Whole braiding process maybe took like 3 hours, maybe like whole braiding process took maybe 10 minutes. And look, this is final look of my braid. So what do you think, guys? Just comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It really motivates me when you just commenting and sharing my videos. So see you in next one.